Everyone, in this video, I will show you how to record screen on Windows 11. So first things first, there are a few ways on how to record screen on Windows. Some can use the Windows plus Shift plus R. Then they will see an icon above where they can select the record icon and they can record the entire screen or specific screen. But somehow in my case, I cannot see that record option above. But if you do, then all you have to do is to click that one. Another way is that you can go to the start menu and then look for game bar and then tap on open. Then you should see the feature option above or keys and icons where you can basically start your recording. All you have to do is to click that. It's kind of invisible using other screen recorder, but if you open that game bar, you will see the icon here, and one of the icons is like video recording. All you have to do is to click that one to start recording. However, if you cannot see or cannot use the other two methods, don't worry. You can just go to any web browser and then search for screen recorder, for example, Bandicam. This time we will be using Bandicam, so all you have to do is just search for Bandicam and then download Bandicam. You can also use OBS Studio. It's up to you. So as you can see, this one is screen recorder. All you have to do is to download this. Wait as it is processing. Once done, you can go to your start menu and then search for Bandicam. Tap on open and then you can now set the settings for hotkeys, for example, F10 for start, F11 for pause, and you can see it right here. It is now starting. Basically, after that, you can go to Bandicam folder to see the result. You can now start screen recording your activity here on your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.